guide on how to do MLA style formatting for your essays, right? In case you don't know how, or maybe you would like to fix your formatting up, and you never really were taught that. So the first thing we do is I'm on Google Docs, but the icons in Google Docs and Microsoft Word are pretty much the same, right? So the first thing you want to do with your document is you want to make sure that you have 1 inch margins all around. Okay, so in Google Docs, you go to File, Page Setup. In Microsoft Word, I believe it's under Layout, and then I think Page Margins. So when you go to Page Setup, your margins down here, they should all be 1 inch. And this goes for some classes or courses in the sciences. They require APA style, right? Whether it's APA style, MLA style, Chicago style, it's all 1 inch margins. Okay, so we're good here. We have 1 inch margins. The next thing you want to do before you type anything is you want to change this to Times New Roman. And font size, we're at 11. It should be at 12. Okay, so I made that 12. Next thing is double space. Okay, so you're going to go to this icon here with the 2 arrows going up and down in Microsoft Word. That should be the same symbol. Okay, and you're going to click double. Everything should be double spaced, right? No single space. Anyway, double space is better, right? Because it takes up more space. So with MLA Style, you're going to put your name first, right? So the student's name. So I'm going to put my name as a student, and then you put the instructor's name. So let's pretend John Cruz. Okay, and then after that, you put the name of the course. So this course is EN 110. This is section 31. And then you always put the day that the assignments due. So when is our final draft due? 12. Today's the 12th, 13, 14, 15, 16. So June 16. Okay, and then now we can do the title. So the title should be centered. So yay, I'm gonna have a cool, interesting title here, right? Then you just go to the next line. Okay, and you're gonna go left aligned again. We're not doing center. We're not doing justified formatting. We're just doing the whole body should be left aligned. Each paragraph should be indented 1/2 inch, which means press the tab button on your keyboard. Right, so I pressed mine. It'll automatically indent for me. So now I will start my essay here, right? And let's just say, let me try to get to the next line. Okay, so let's say you want to go to the next paragraph. Do the same thing. Just press enter or return on your keyboard. Press tab again to indent. And start your new paragraph here. So with MLA Style, you do not need to do double spaces, extra spaces between paragraphs, right? You just keep everything, right, double space line to line, right? You can just keep typing actually. You don't have to worry about adding extra spaces in between your paragraphs. So here's another thing that might be useful for you to know. Technically, MLA Style requires it, but I'm not requiring it. But maybe it's a good thing just to learn, like in the future, or like maybe for your workplace, right? So how do we insert page numbers? Okay, so you go to Insert, and I believe in Microsoft Word, it should also be under the same tab, but it should show something regarding page numbers. So Insert Page Numbers. And you're going to see these options here. You're going to want to choose the one that shows the numbers on the top right-hand corner. Okay, so automatically, there we go. It's numbered my page for me. Okay, so let's say you want to add, well, you should add your last name next to that page number. And again, I'm not requiring you do any of the page numbers. Okay, but it's good practice if you want to try. So let's say you want to make it truly MLA style. You have to put your last name before the page number. So I'm going to put my last name here, right? And that's it. Okay, let's say you ever do a paper where like you are done with this page and you want to go to the next page, right? And instead of pressing enter, right, all the way to the next page, that will actually, when you like download your document to other formats, that actually it won't look the same, right? So what you can do instead to make sure that your formatting stays the same and you get to the next page, you just go to insert, break, page break, and it's the same thing with Microsoft Word. And look, automatically it goes to the next page. If I was to ever download this document in whatever format, that this formatting will stay in place, right? So we'll do the same thing here. Start a new paragraph here, right? If you ever want to move to a new page, right? So, and if you notice the page numbers and the last name, it follows, right? So it automatically just does it. So hopefully this kind of helps you, right? If you did know these things already, that's great. If you didn't, here's your little tutorial.